Hey, what's up everybody? Found this today. Thought it was pretty awesome. Worthy of making a video about. I have a soft spot for wind-up toys. Especially wind-up toys that do like a lot more than just roll on wheels or do backflips. And I think this is pretty rare. I've never seen one like it. Basically it yeah, let me just do a little 360 here for you. The little feet on the bottom go up and down, and it chomps as it goes, and you can see inside the mouth there's a ghost. Pretty cool. There it is.